Welcome back to Car Review. Ladies and gentlemen, picture this. A warm breeze rolling off the coast, the sun casting golden rays on polished chrome, and the sound of a rumbling engine that speaks to the soul. It is with that timeless imagery in mind that we introduce the return of a true American masterpiece, the 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air. This isn't just a car. It's a celebration of style, innovation, and the enduring spirit of motoring excellence. The 2025 Bel Air is a symphony of past and future, a reimagining of one of the most beloved icons in automotive history. Its design is a poetic blend of nostalgia and modernity, with sweeping lines that echo its mid-century heritage, paired seamlessly with contemporary elements like dynamic LED lighting and a bold grille that commands attention. Every angle of the Bel Air tells a story of elegance. Reborn. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that exudes timeless sophistication. Premium leather upholstery, polished accents, and subtle retro touches create an atmosphere of refined comfort. At its heart is Chevrolet's most advanced infotainment system, combining intuitive technology with unparalleled connectivity to ensure every journey is as engaging as the destination. Beneath its sculpted hood lies a choice of powertrains that cater to the modern driver. From a high-performance turbocharged engine to an electrified hybrid option, the 2025 Bel Air delivers power, efficiency, and the thrill of the open road in equal measure. And for purists, a roaring V8 brings the essence of its classic roots roaring to life. The 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air is more than a car. It's a cultural revival, a rolling testament to Chevrolet's legacy of innovation and craftsmanship. It's a vehicle for those who dream not only of where they're going, but also of the unforgettable moments along the way. Welcome to the new era of Bel Air, where history meets the horizon and the road ahead is boundless. Thanks for watching, guys, and subscribe my YouTube channel for more exciting car reviews and content. See you next time.